see we got another vlog coming to you. Mopar Slime shit.
Yeah, they pull up.
I burned it on the light mirror. What the hell?
That's a 707. No, that's 797. It's a red eye.
That's a red eye?
He was just racing on the track, I think.
Oh my God. He got slicks in this bitch?
He had them, but he took them off.
Oh my God. Hey, him and Justin need to race.
Who?
Him and Justin.
Who's Justin?
Justin. The red.
Oh, okay. I didn't know his name.
Yeah.
I know. Yeah, he definitely need to race.
That bitch.
I don't think he's stopped though.
That's cool. And teach him a lesson.
They all know your shit.
Let's go see what they're talking about the artwork over there. The best track off in Chicago. Part of the world. You get a rest of it. Let's go on the back up. It's up north. Hold up.
So we at the second location.
Yo, this is the red eye that be on Instagram, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Red eye field, right?
Yes, sir. Hey. Yes, sir. Y'all see him? Yes, sir. Yeah, everything out here really though. So we at the second spot right now. Y'all see what's going on. We got Tevo in the cut, you feel me? Scat thing, you know?
You gotta get the sticker. Hey, go to the other side, watch your quick the sticker. You ain't beat.
Oh yeah. Wait, let me see if I can get that on camera, y'all. Look, get this way. Damn, that shit just like you raw as hell. Where you get that from? Where you get it from?
What?
Bro. He said that. We had to talk off camera. Off camera. Bro. We had to talk off camera. We can't have niggas biting the swag, you feel me? No count. Y'all see what's going on, man.
Man, I need to wash my shit, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Wash this.
This is the first time I washed my shit and popped out, bro. I never washed my car, bro. Y'all see him, though. Scat thing. What year is it? What year is this? What year is this?
This is 17.
17. Oh, so he got the same year as me?
Yeah, she's right.
Oh, see him. And he got Mopar's Finest on the window. Out here representing, man. So y'all see this, man.
I brought a big ass 4-5 out there.
All type of tracks.
You ain't following them?
No, not yet.
Is you driving?
No, that was Ant. Yeah, that was Ant. See the track caught right there. Track caught, but got him by like, I don't know, a quarter of a second or something. Yeah. You'll see his light hit. Yeah. But that was his first time ever hitting my car down the track. So it's not bad. That was from a dig. Come here, watch the video. That was
I'm gonna give myself 1,000 horsepower.
Yeah. Might as well. You gotta go like 1,000. You gotta go
I
big.
don't want these things to beat me, man. I want to be the fastest Hellcat.
I went out and spent $810 on tires and I spent $1,600 on rims, beadlocks. So I got Ford Star beadlock tires, and then I got Hoosier, and they're 235. 30? My tire 235, 45.
Oh, aren't they bigger?
18. 325. 325. That's a fat ass tire.
325? Yeah, that's big as hell. Oh yeah. Y'all see it.
Damn.
Them the ones you hit on the track?
Yeah, it's the ones I had on the track.
I think it's on too fucking. How much you spend? Like 23?
All together about 23 for the back tires and the fucking tire, rims.
Go crazy. Fuck it. Look at that shit.
Yeah.
Look at the difference. That motherfucker huge. That's his stock one right now.
This was the dig right here.
Huge.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Ended up doing a 9.2 at 138 per 6 or something like that.
I should get a real down.
Gang. Oh man. You got big as hell. I remember seeing him on Snap. He was small. Now you out here. outside today, man. Finally linked with my boy, you know?
Yeah.
What the fuck is he doing? This looks nice. What is he on?
Which way y'all heading out? This way? Which way y'all need to get out? This way over here?
Yeah, so we gonna shoot through this way, and then we gonna go over there.
Oh, okay. So then you can go out that way. That's easier.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Help us out?
Yeah. That's what I said. I got them coming. I'm gonna help you out right now. That's my part. Okay.
Hey, where we going after this? Lakeshore?
That motherfucker. I've been looking for a car. I can't figure the color.
He in the car?
Yeah.
My man, what color is this motherfucker, man? No. Sonic Gray. I've been looking for one of these motherfuckers. Can never tell a motherfucker what color it is. Sonic Gray.
I'm going to Indiana.
Oh, did you? Okay, what y'all about to do?
Sunday ride. Track car.
That motherfucker. Yes, you? Yeah. This motherfucker. How much did you pay for this paint shit?
4,000. It's a wrap. 4,000.
It's a wrap?
It's a wrap.
Alright. Hey, y'all enjoy yourself?
Hey.
Ain't no fucking problem.
Thank you.
Alright, man. Dude, that's awesome.
Alright, yo, we gonna ride out. We gonna give us an effort.
Hey, we gonna go Lakeshore. Lakeshore. We gonna hop on Lakeshore. We gonna hop on Lakeshore. We gonna go to Lakeshore. Lakeshore.
They on bullshit?
No, they chilling. Yeah, they just like the cars and shit.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they finna block it so we all can get out and then hop on the expressway.
That's
Oh, bro. Alright, y'all, so shit. We on our way downtown. And we deep. Like, this shit crazy. Like, y'all see all the more cars back there. Y'all little vibes, man. Focus, there we go. 2 tracks, what's that? A Charlie right there. Red Eye. Allen, new rap. We got Louis in the cut. We got Chris, Mopar Finest. Some of his boys here. Got my boy with the gray track. We deep as hell. We still halfway to downtown. We still rolling deep. Yeah, we deep as hell. Let me get up there. They're going back. Oh, look at that. Nah, you out of all people know this shit always. Damn.
Why? He ain't trying. He said he got no insurance. Hey, let's crazy. Look, I'm gonna carry all to the swerve. I'm like, nah. I know this gonna happen, bro. I know when he did that shit, I knew he should have snuck bro.
What he's trying to say? What?
Bro, if he would have gave me his insurance, we could leave. Give me your information.
I don't got it, man.
All right, let me see your driver's license. Let me get your name. All I need to know this.
You can't pay for it or
Like, you
something?
got insurance. If that's the case, then if that's it, we just got a police thing.
I ain't telling what you said. You trying to take us through the insurance?
We got money in your pocket right now. You're right.
We can wait till the police come in here.
I know this wheel at least, nigga. That shit messed up. That's $1,000 on bro. I paid for that shit before.
Oh, damn.
Yes. Yes.
We can take it through the insurance. That's why you can take it through the insurance. I'm sorry for the lanes. Hey, it's 80 of us. I don't care about y'all swerving through the lanes, bro. Y'all
don't ask what we doing. What the fuck we doing, nigga?
It ain't my fault y'all ass swerving through the lanes. Why you going around cars like
Bro,
it don't matter. Why you going around cars like that?
Nobody else ain't nobody else ain't shit else. Nobody else ain't shit else.
It don't matter.
It don't matter.
Y'all out here finna
It don't matter.
These old ladies out here and all that
We
shit.
going slow as hell. If it's niggas like you going round cars. What you talking about? That's your fault.
old lady and then somebody hit us. So there's something goofy.
Bro, he know how to go, bro. The fuck?
We hit an old lady and
And you don't supposed to be speed. And you don't supposed to be speed. Fuck you talking about? He was.
How you gonna call the police with no?
No, he said he don't got it on him. And he just trying to call me.
He ain't got it on his phone, none of that.
Went to that
But if
lane,
you
bro.
see-
What
if
you
you-
talking about, bro? What did you talk about? He just hit my car, bro. I mean, my own
You
lane. He
just
came
hit
to my
him.
lane. He just hit me. I mean, my lane, bro. He came this way and just hit my shit.
Hey, we got whole 3-4 lanes, bro. We got our hazard lights. Hey,
Bro, you come back this way. I'm going here this way. You come back to that lane. Balls, back to back.
why you riding past speed for?
What did you talking about?
Why you riding past speed? Just answer
Who ain't
that.
nobody riding past speed?
Bro, you just did like 70 going
I'm
past,
do
bro.
the same thing y'all do, but you just said y'all not speeding.
How you doing the same thing we doing? We going like 30. How? You when you hit the car, your ass go like this. Then it for the flip
I'm
over.
trying to avoid.
So how
I'm
you?
trying to avoid
So how you
that.
going that speed?
If he ain't got
No, wait. How you going that speed, bro? If you going like this,
Why was I speeding?
all right, what you call it?
All they talking
You just said y'all was speeding.
Give him your information for the police.
Oh, okay, I
You ain't got
just
insurance.
You can't pay for it?
Let you go.
Nah, he don't got no money in his pocket. Bro,
I just told bro, I don't got that. I'm pretty sure, but he finna call somebody anyway.
he got
I
insurance.
ain't call. I had one more down here. No one.
He trying to say we speed, we doing like 40 without hazards on.
How's folks gonna try to say I'm at fault of anything, bro? That shit don't even make sense. It's literally we 25 cars deep. 25 cars.
Bro, let's swerve over again, cause dumbass ride past. That's you know, he boom. I'm talking about, bro. You see, we in 2 lanes, bro.
That's why y'all.
Man, we in 2 lanes.
You violate traffic laws.
Fuck that.
You violate traffic laws. Right.
what island that?
You
can go.
It's always
We in 2 lanes. What you mean?
we in 2 whole lanes. We in the car club.
We in the car club.
We got 2
against the law.
lanes.
Against the law is not having insurance.
We would have been gone if you got your insurance. We would have been point blank period.
You can come, man.
Insurance, bro.
They made the report. They gonna fix
Go to
the
kid,
shit.
y'all trying to go to
Yeah, he gotta go too.
Hey, bro. The guy's trying to make a report or exchange information, whatever.
He's not trying to do that. He's not cooperating.
You get his
No,
information.
you gotta wait for the police to get his.
Well, I mean, I can have a trooper meet us. I can have a trooper meet us right there. We'll get off the expressway.
Just give me your information.
He do plate number.
Are we just gonna pull up at those? Wait till we stay right.
What's my insurance? This is my insurance.
You say what?
This for my insurance.
Bro, what is that gonna prove? You say we swerve. Hey, just wait.
I am these right. Yeah, witness.
Hey, Jack.
You got it.
Oh, she gonna do both sides type shit.
Got our hazard lights on.
Bro, I don't.
Cause we in the car club.
Right.
You was riding with the
And my man literally tried to pass everybody for no apparent reason. Literally 25, 30
He was
cars.
trying to cut up.
And he got,
25.
bro, you gotta think about it, bro. He got kids in the car with no car seat.
Hella red flag.
We in 2 lanes.
He
Bro,
was in the other lane
we
behind
been
the traffic.
past him, bro. He's like dropped in, bro. And he came all right. He came all the way around, bro. And remember, we got that one lane.
About 30 cars of us. We got on our hazards and everything. You can clearly see all of us. In 2 lanes and to the far right side. He was stuck behind traffic, passed him up and everything, and he was dead fast. What? That was kind of hard.
I can't hit from behind, it's on the side. I'm not saying that to you. That's cool. I want to say that to you.
He claimed he didn't have insurance. I tried to get his insurance. He didn't give me no information. I mean, I also do have like 80 witnesses tomorrow.
They called their buddies out.
On this side.
Yeah, that's the damage right there. Even though it ain't much, but shit, you ain't finna hit nobody conscious, you know? That shit over with. These is $30,000, $40,000 cars. So they not going for none of that shit.
Smooth drive down the U.S.
Alright, who did it? Who did it?
don't know. I don't know. Who's that? Who's that? He's standing No, he seen it. We went past him.
There's no way he couldn't have seen it.
He was mad already when we rolled past him. Oh, you hanging on? Yeah, he went up. I just said that earlier. And look, and how you hit him from behind and it's from the side?
Right. Don't make no sense.
I should be a lawyer, bro.
Damn.
Damn.
I ain't see that.
But look, that's how he knows it's right.
Yeah, that is true. Cause look, if he accelerating and hit his shit gonna be more fucked
Right, and his bumper gonna be more fucked up. Cause if you going straight and you try to get over or something, your bumper gonna be fucked up.
Oh,
That's
no.
a side. That's a side swipe.
Well. That shit fucked up. Fuck all the bullshit. I'm getting all the cars, man. Shout out to everybody for popping out with us, man. You sure your back don't hurt?
Down there, it's my back into my my elbow kind of.
Yeah, I think
my looking at it later.
you made it downtown, man. Y'all see what we got out here.
What up, bro?
What you on, man?
Hey, man, you was out there too late yesterday, man.
Oh yeah, too fucking late. Bro, I was far as hell too. I'm like, fuck it, I wanna see if I can make it down there. Shot there. Yeah. Shit, fuck it. I'll make it next time though, man.
All right, y'all be safe.
All right, for sure.